Tired of juggling between your calendar and Notion, feeling like your productivity is drowning in a sea of tabs? Well, get ready to transform your workflow as we show you how to seamlessly integrate Google Calendar into Notion using Indify. First, head over to Indify. You'll find the Google Calendar Embed option right on the main page. Click on it. Now, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. Make sure you select the account associated with the Google Calendar you want to embed. Indify will ask for permissions, so grant those to allow the integration to work. Next, Indify will guide you through customizing your calendar's appearance. You can adjust the theme to light or dark, choose the default view like month, week, or day, and even select specific calendars to display if you have multiple ones. Once you're happy with how your calendar looks, copy the generated Indify URL. This is the magic link that will bring your calendar to Notion. Now, jump over to your Notion workspace. In the page where you want to embed your calendar, type Embed and select the Embed option. Paste the Indify URL you copied earlier into the URL field and click Embed link. Give it a moment to load, and voila! Your Google Calendar is now beautifully integrated into your Notion workspace. You can resize and reposition the embedded calendar to perfectly fit your Notion layout. Now you can view your appointments, manage your time, and stay on top of your schedule without ever leaving Notion.